Hello students, myself Professor Arshad Qureshi. Today we are going to learn 9th standard geometry, that is basics of geometry, lines and angles. This is which you are seeing it. This is adjacent angles. What are adjacent angles? Adjacent angles are just two angles which are beside each other. एक दूसरे के आजू बाजू में है वो, और एक ही एंगल दो पार्ट में डिवाइड हो रहा है. एज यू कैन सी हियर देयर इज एन एंगल ए बी ओ, एन एंगल ए बी ओ, or you can also see it as angle x and angle y. So angle x and angle y, actually they are divided into two parts. Angle x and angle y, they are two parts of a single angle, that is angle ABO is divided into two parts, that is angle ABK and angle KBO. So these are the two parts of a single angle. So what basically is adjacent angle? What is the definition? When two angles have common vertex, common arm, and they don't overlap. So which is the common vertex here? Single common vertex is B. You have one common vertex, only one common vertex, which is the single common vertex, that is B. They are originating from B point here. So it is the common vertex, and the common arm is BK. The arm BK is the common arm which is common to both. See, angle ABK also have common arm BK, and angle KBO also has common arm BK. So therefore they have a common arm also, one single common arm, and they don't overlap. Means what? There is no overlapping of the angle. Okay, overlapping means what? I cannot say angle ABK and angle ABO, the major angle, are adjacent angles, but I can say angle ABK and angle KBO, they both are adjacent angles. Hope you are getting my point. See, we will see an example here. See here, angle ABC, that is angle X, and angle DBE is angle Y. They cannot be called as adjacent angles, because what is happening here? You can see they have a common vertex, that is a point B. Okay, they have a common vertex. They don't overlap also. Okay, they are not overlapping, but they don't have a common arm like in the previous case. So angle ABC has its own arms, and angle DBE has its own different arms, so they are not adjacent angles. Okay, see, I can show you an example here. Angle ABC and angle BCD, they are also having common arm, that is आर्म BC से ही एंगल ABC भी बन रहा है, और आर्म BC जो है, ये आर्म BC से ही एंगल BCD, that is एंगल Y भी बन रहा है. लेकिन they don't have a common vertex, that is they are not having a common vertex B, they are not having a common vertex C, they are having different common vertex. They are having different vertex for their angles. Angle ABC has its vertex B, and angle BCD has its vertex C. Hope you are getting my point. Therefore this example is not an example of adjacent angles. See, I am telling you that they should not overlap. Overlap का मतलब आपको समझना होगा यहाँ पर. Angle ABK and angle KBO, okay, they both have common vertex, common arm, and they are not overlapping, that is angle X and angle Y can be called as an adjacent angles. But understand my point, angle ABK and angle ABO here, okay, they cannot be called as adjacent angles. Okay, hope you understand my point. See, next we are going to vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are the angles which are formed by two lines. See, one line is a line AB, other line is line CD. So the angles which are formed by intersection of two lines, when two lines intersect each other, they are called as vertically opposite angles. So see here, angle y and angle y, they both are in opposite directions but formed by two lines. Same way I have shown angle x, both are forming angle x on the both side of the lines, but they are equal, they will be equal. Therefore I can say, you can see here on the right side, angle AOD is congruent to angle BOC is equal to angle y, and angle AOC is congruent to angle DOB is equal to angle x. Hope you are getting this, students.